Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. So in today's tutorial, we are going to look at using the geometry tool for calculating what? Length, areas, and extracting the x and y coordinates. So to begin with, let's go to our point layer. We open attribute. So we turn this on and toggle edit. We create a new field, label this as the x. We are going to have the small numbers in it. Precision and length, let me leave them the way they are. We go to we create another field. Let's call it y. The small number. So in these two fields, we are going to extract the x and the y values for our points here. So we go to the field calculator. Since we are not creating a new field, we go to update existing field and go to x. So when we go to x, I will go to geometry. Under here, there is what we call geometry. So we look for a dollar and x, so we have it here, $sign and x. So we double click on it. So they are giving us a preview of this coordinate. So we say apply. So okay, we can see that it's here. So the same goes for y. Update an existing field. We say y geometry. $y. I say apply. I can see it here. So we say okay. So this the x and y values for our points. We save. We stop editing, so we can see that we have them there. We close that. And now for the distances and the areas, we need to first set what we call the units we are going to use. So under project, go to properties. We can see that units of measurement units for distance measurements are in meters. Units for area measurements are in acres. So we can change this to square meters. You can also change this to any value you want, call it kilometers, watt and watt. So let me leave it in meters. So we are going to leave them in meters, and in square meters we say apply. We say okay. So when I go to lines, let me first get the length of this. I say open attribute. So we have a distance already here. In case we didn't have, we just go to field. You turn this on. Go to field calculator. So let me create a new field. I call it length. So I give it a decimal. You can as well as change the field length and the precision, but I'm going to leave them the way they are. Then we go to geometry still. Under geometry, you look for a $sign and length. $sign and length, it's here. So okay. And I'll click on it, and then we have a preview of this. So these are in meters. So we say apply. We say okay. So we can see that the length has been generated in meters. So we save and we close this. So we go to our polygon, open attribute. So I already have this here. So I'm going to activate the editing mode, open attribute. So when we open attribute, since we already have our area field there, update, we go to update area. So we go to geometry here, we look for areas here, one of the first things. So click on it. So area, we say apply, we say okay. You can see that it is here. So we save and we say we stop editing. So we close. So so we have seen that in case I want it in acres, it's very simple. You go to project, properties, acres, hectares. So you can change this to hectares and change this to miles. So you say apply and you say okay. So when I change that to so when I say okay, first wait, so this is in hectares. Okay, so when I say open attribute, when I open attribute for my polygon, it is still in square kilometers, but when I go to field calculator, I say update an existing field, I say area, and again I go to geometry. When I double click on area, we can see that it has now been changed under the preview. You can see that the area is being given in what, in hectares. So I say apply, I say okay. So we save and stop the editing mode. So now this area is in hectares. We close. Same goes for the length. We open attribute, turn on edit. So you are going to update this from meters to miles. Go to field calculator, update existing field, and go to length. So we go to geometry is here, dollar sign and length is here. So we can see we are having it in miles. So apply and it's okay. We guys, we see how it has changed. So we save. So basically that's it. In case of any metric unit you need in your work, in case you want to set units of measurements in your work, you go under project and then properties for the project, under general. So under general, that's where we have these. We change them to the units you are comfortable with, and then you say apply. So that's it, guys. Leave your questions and inquiries in the comment sections. I'll be responding to them soon. Thank you.